Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto Skill. Today, we're diving into Ethereum, one of the most powerful and influential blockchain networks. What is Ethereum? How do smart contracts work? Why is Ethereum shaping the future of finance and technology? Let's break it all down. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain that goes beyond just being a cryptocurrency. Unlike Bitcoin, which is mainly a digital store of value, Ethereum allows developers to build applications on its network using smart contracts. The birth of Ethereum. Ethereum was proposed in 2013 by a programmer named Vitalik Buterin. He wanted to create a blockchain that could support more complex applications, not just financial transactions. In 2015, Ethereum officially launched, introducing a new era of blockchain innovation. How smart contracts work. Smart contracts are self-executing programs that run on the Ethereum blockchain. They automatically enforce agreements without intermediaries. For example, a smart contract can release payment only when certain conditions are met. It can power decentralized finance, DeFi, apps, NFTs, and even digital identity systems. Ethereum's use cases. Ethereum is widely used across various industries. Decentralized finance. DeFi. Ethereum powers lending, borrowing, and trading platforms without banks. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Artists and creators use Ethereum to tokenize digital art, music, and collectibles. Gaming, play-to-earn games use Ethereum for in-game assets and rewards. Supply chain management. Companies use Ethereum to track and verify products transparently. Ethereum 2.0. The upgrade. Ethereum has faced issues like high gas fees and slow transactions. That's why Ethereum 2.0 is being introduced to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency by moving to a proof-of-stake (PoS) system. The future of Ethereum. Ethereum continues to evolve, with new upgrades making it faster and more efficient. It remains the backbone of Web3, smart contracts, and decentralized applications. Conclusion. Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a revolutionary technology that is transforming industries. Do you think Ethereum will dominate the future of blockchain? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Crypto Skill, and turn on notifications for more crypto insights. See you in the next video.